Hello everyone, welcome back to the Forge. I am with a friend named Noodles, say hi.
Hello!
And we're just gonna play Will You Press the Button. And, yeah, let's fucking throw into it. You know what, I'll go, actually, fuck it, Noodle, you're first. You can become invisible. It only works 1 minute every day, so kinda like the invisibility ring we have in our fucking, thing. Campaign.
You become invisible, it only works 1 every day. That's just kind of like, what were you gonna do for like 1 minute though?
I mean, the guy down here pretty much sums it up. There's no reason not to.
That is true, there is not a reason, so go ahead.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, press that button.
Yep, a lot of people agreed. Christ, this takes a while. Alright, Mason's turn. You are teleported with all the resources you want to another Earth-like planet. You won't be able to make contact with another human being for the rest of your life. Oh, yeah. You know what, I don't like people that much, just build a robot. Jesus Christ! Look at how many people didn't want to do that. Look at that. I mean, just build a robot army. You know, invade other planets. The universal language replaces all languages of the world, but this language is Chinese.
I mean, yeah.
Let's
do it. I mean, everyone would understand everyone.
Really?
It's pretty decent. Wow.
I guess there's a lot of people who don't want to learn Chinese.
Well, maybe, like, I just thought it could just be in your brain.
You can access the internet with your mind. The internet connection speed is horribly slow no matter where you are. Dang. Sounds like your brain could get hacked, and I am not down for that. You're laughing at me like you're gonna hack my brain.
Maybe I would hack your brain.
That's not nice. Alright, you can wait, what? You can stop time at any given moment, but bread tastes slightly more like oatmeal. What?
Bet I like oatmeal, and I can stop, and I can control time too. That's
I see
great.
no downsides to this at all.
There isn't. I could take a nap for like eternally, and I can just eat bread and it'll taste like
Every
oatmeal.
time somebody says something good about you, you win $1. But every time somebody says something bad about you, you lose $2. I really broke so fucking fast. It's not even funny. Alright. Is it your turn? Or-
I did the oatmeal one. It's your turn.
Okay. So I'm assuming somebody includes myself. I would lose so much money, bitch. I would be in debt. Yeah, see? I'm not the only one.
I agree with you.
You may gaze into someone else's future, but there is a 50% chance you'll look into your own future without realizing it. Alright.
I mean, okay, so I
It's
get
just
to
unreliable foresight.
Isn't all foresight unreliable though?
Maybe.
I mean, if I do look into my own future, does it really matter? Like whose future I'm looking into? It's still the future.
Page unresponsive. Wait.
Oh
Please
no.
Alright, so we pushing it?
Push the button.
Alright. Oh Christ, it's gonna crash on us. 73% agree with you. Next. You can change any historic event you want to make it better or worse, but you won't be alive to see it.
No, that button's bad.
What? Why?
You change the course of the freaking history, and then all of a sudden everything is wrong, and maybe you even destroy the world. Who knows? It's the butterfly effect.
Yeah, but Sarah Sutcliffe says Hitler who, so... I mean, unless you fully believe the world should have Hitler in it, I don't know. I'm gonna smash that like button. 46% of people do not want to fuck with time. Thing is,
Sometimes it's bad.
if you were to fuck with time in the past, that would so terribly fuck with it in the future.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so we get rid of Hitler, and then what happens in the future, though?
You get to have a spaceship capable of traveling near the speed of light, discovering new galaxies, planets, and alternate universes. But you get lost.
Okay, so I'm lost, right? So I can't go back to Earth is pretty much what that would be implying, correct?
Yeah. This person down here said basically the TARDIS. So.
Honestly, I would press the button.
Alright, man. Let's see it. Ooh.
I love space. Astronomy is like my jam.
You have the perfect body, but you smell like hot garbage. But it doesn't say permanently. So let's assume this is permanent.
I would.
I am
not.
comfortable with my body. Ooh, there we go. Finally, people are agreeing with me. The children become great and truly enjoyable people who you are proud of. You have to name them either Eho or Lufetiable or Evil.
Okay. Push the button. They're still gonna be great, and I'm gonna be proud of them. So what
Yeah,
if their
man.
names are weird?
Evil. You get your dream job even if it doesn't currently exist. You make enough money. You make enough money to survive off the cheapest housing and food available. Fuck yeah, man. What? Nah, fuck yeah. I'd rather be happy doing what I love and still be able to live. There's world peace, but everyone hates you. Is that really world peace then?
I mean, everyone would be against you together, so on a technicality, it still would be world peace.
Imagine being such an asshole that you unify everyone against you.
That sounds
Deadpool.
great. That sounds so great. I'll
Yeah.
push that button. World peace, just because.
I just want to know
That's
why
fine.
they would hate me.
Probably because you implemented world peace.
You can marry the man/woman of your dreams and have a perfect life, but you would have to wear a fedora 24/7 no matter what.
Fedoras are fashionable.
I don't like fedoras. I don't
Wow.
want to wear one in the shower. I don't want to wear one when I sleep. I mean, granted, the one in my dreams is fictional by all means, you know. Or is it non-fiction? Yeah.
It
Like,
would
completely fucking made up and
That
not
would be
possible at
fiction.
all.
be fiction.
Alright, then it's fiction because I'm dumb.
It's okay.
Uh.
So
but
many
fedora?
people disagree with you.
Man,
Push that button.
I don't know. Someone who's really kinky, apparently. Back. That was not a good question. You can have the car of your dreams, but you have to share it with the person you hate most.
The person I hate most is me, so I still get the car all to myself. Press that button.
There's a 90% chance pressing this button will give you $1 million. There's a 10% chance. 90%. That's actually not bad. You're
Were you
wrong.
gonna try to do math?
Yeah, you wanna roll a dice for it, actually?
Do I want to roll some dice?
No, I'll grab the dice I have spare. I'm gonna roll a D100. And you're going to tell me if you press this button or not. If you do, then I gotta roll for you.
Alright, I'll press this button.
Alright, so I think I know how these dice work. So let's say everything up to 90 is safe. Or 89? I don't know, man. These dice are weird. But 90 to 100 is not good. Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Alright, you good?
Nice.
Fucking
Press
34.
button.
That was a neat button. I was kind of hoping to kill you.
But why?
Why not? This is what friends do.
Kill each other.
Of
Alright,
course.
let's go.
You make a critically praised movie, it's a flop at the box office and won't be a classic. A critically praised movie? So basically, I'm kind of getting a Megamind vibe here. This doesn't make sense. The movie that is critically praised / received means that it would be a classic. Yeah. I don't like this. Next. Fuck it. That one's coming out of the video. I don't care for it. Junk food is good for you. Healthy food makes you fat.
Press that button.
Not even a fucking question. Are you kidding me? You are paid $10 million to attend 1 year of incredible intensive combat, survival, and weapons training. But once per month for the next 10 years, a randomly selected world government will dispatch an assassin to attempt to kill you.
That sounds fun.
Now this just sounds fast and fun. Yeah, fucking let's push it.
I mean, I get 10 million and I still get the training to live, so.
What government is coming after me? That's all I want to know. If you press this button, you will instantly be reborn in any fictional world you choose, anime, superhero, sci-fi, etc. While you retain your memories, being reborn means that you will not be the main character, may never meet that character. Means that you will not be, may never meet, so that's a chance. Oh wait. Yeah, because it doesn't say will. Meet that character, and you have no control over what race, creed, sex you are. I don't know if I would do that.
Can I come back though?
You know, you definitely try. Honestly, if I was a character, I'd try killing everyone and see if I can't grab the attention of the protagonist and kill him.
Yeah. If I can't be the main, if I can't meet the main character in this, I will just become a different main character.
Alright, so we pushing it?
Push the button.
Thing is, character, when it says no control over what race, creed, sex you are, is random, I am not vibing with that too much. And this might crash.
Okay, but here's the thing though. You already had that lottery when you were born anyways, so it's the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, how much chaos would you have to cause to get the protagonist to be like, okay, what the fuck?
Probably either a lot or not that much, depending on the show.
Depending on... I'm gonna see if I can't open up a new tab. If not, then we'll probably just have to call it there. Because that was taking an ass long to load.
Yeah.
Alright, you know the answers to any question in all of existence, past, present, and future, but nobody will believe you ever.
Either way, you're going insane if you press this button.
The guy pointed it out. The downside is so ridiculous, I'm just ignoring it and pressing the button on anyway. All the questions included every day are very simple and easy to answer. Where's the ground? Points downwards at the ground. Fucking bullshit, the ground must be above us all. Fucking bullshit, I don't need to be there. I don't need to be to survive. I could kill everyone on the planet.
Yeah,
The
that's
amount
what you're
of
gonna do.
genocide I could impose.
So, is this button your villain backstory?
Yeah. Any one two-sided popular subject you take an interest in, pro-life versus pro-choice, and etc., will instantly go in favor of your preference, causing everyone to agree on the side of your choosing. Oh! That's neat. Immediately after your decision, your opinions completely shift in favor of the side you did not choose, and you are the only one who still argues that your choice is wrong.
Okay, so pretty much everything goes your way, but also if you
Everything
do like
does.
something like that, all of your morals would shift and you would just be a different person.
Yeah, I don't like God fucking with my morals. No, thank you. As much as I love it.
It is
You will
great,
be
but
the
also
most
it'd be like
physically attractive person ever, but you will become the
okay.
instantly
Oh.
instant button.
I mean, why not?
Yeah, man. Fuck. I mean, I could be a stripper. You know how much shit I would get? Like the best looking stripper around, man. I can see it right now. I don't know what my name. Masonia. Cutest stripper of the world. Ever. It says ever as well. That means in all of existence.
Masonia just does not sound good.
Yeah, it doesn't. You can see through people's clothes. Everyone knows when you do.
No.
So can. But what does it mean by everyone? Like everyone in the fucking world?
I think the people who see you are like watching you do it.
So it's
They
like
know. So the person you are being a pervert to knows exactly what you were doing.
So, Tag, you're it.
No, I'm not gonna push the button.
Oh, damn.
Were you gonna push the button?
You know, I was tempted. Is it only through other people's clothes? Because that could help in some situations. As long as you just like don't use it to be a pervert on other people. Actually be like, whoa, that guy has a gun on him. What the fuck?
Okay, but then like everyone probably.
You know how good I could be at those fucking security checkpoints in the airport? I could just look at him and be like, yeah, he's good. He has a long,
but-
he has a big dick though. Don't know why he's part of the small wiener club. You see a multitude of colors, usually invisible to the human eye, but you can only wear one color for the rest of your life. Which I already fucking wear blue for the. I mean, actually no. If I were to wear one color, it'd be black. That's
Yeah.
a little bit edgy. But
So you want to see like infrared?
that would be crazy. You bring a dead loved one back to life, the age they died, and it will be like they were never gone, but you must sacrifice another loved one. To do so, no one will remember them but you. I hate the creator of this, I will destroy you, I will find you, this is a sick, cruel joke, stop.
This is like it would be so crushing. Like the guilt would eat you up, and like, okay, if they died of old age though, and then you bring them back, wouldn't they just die of old age again?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So then you just kill someone for no reason, and it'd just be a double loss in the end. But then only you would remember that you murdered somebody.
I could bring back Martin Luther King Jr. Oh wait, it says loved one.
Dead loved one.
Damn it. What if I had a big passion for him? What if we had a cult? And we just started a cult on Martin Luther King Jr. and every time he died, got assassinated, we just sacrificed another member.
Oh,
I will not.
that went dark very quickly.
Why not resurrect Martin Luther King Jr.? Alright, we're gonna do 5 more than
You
call it a
can't.
wrap. You become the sidekick of your favorite superhero, but you know and can't change the outcome of your issue's death?
What if you pick an issue where the superhero doesn't die?
Oh fuck! It said issue. When I heard superhero, I completely thought about Iron Man from the movie. I was like, shit, man, I'm like an Iron Man suit armor. And then issue's death. When it said issue, I was like, what the fuck? What's issue? And then I realized comic book issue was out, and I was just like, I'm so dumb. Yeah. If he dies, he dies. I still get sued.
Again, you can pick one, like a comic like series that nobody died. I mean, your superhero doesn't die
You may
in.
have sex anytime you want. You're stung by a swarm of bees afterward. Doesn't matter have sex. I don't think I would, but name me you.
I would not.
Yeah, I don't think I'm that horny. Fucking Christ, a swarm of bees. You can hear everyone's thoughts, but you can't turn it off ever.
I would not.
I would.
Oh no.
Like everyone's thoughts at once. Actually, that would drive me insane.
Yeah, imagine trying to sleep. Oh man, imagine like being at like a family's house
You get to
and
eat cookies whenever you want, but they are healthy and there's no chocolate in them. There is no downside to this.
my
Buddy,
favorite cookie.
hit me up with that raisin oatmeal.
Honestly, those are my favorite cookies, oatmeal raisins and peanut butter. I love oatmeal raisin and peanut butter cookies.
Man, even a protein cookie I would fucking eat. You could not die from any cause, but physical degradation is still effective, meaning that your organs and flesh will rot once aging has essentially finished, but you'd still be alive as a skeleton. Only the skeleton is invincible.
Yes, join the skeleton war. Join the skeleton war.
Alright, this is gonna be the last one.
Alright.
Alright, you get to be the president of the USA forever, but you won't be able to have sex for 5 years. Really? Why is that a bad? I don't get to have sex anyways.
Okay, but I do not want to be president.
Forever though? That's just kind of a dictatorship in the end.
Yes.
Or more of a monarchy of sorts, because
Yes.
technically you still get the Senate to run through everything. So
Yeah, that.
fucking hell.
Not. Who wants to be president, anyways?
Me. I mean, you get a lot of money for being president.
Yeah, but also I can make a lot of money doing a bunch of other things too.
Noodle, I could give you money if I became president.
Well, you're just gonna shower me in money?
Yeah, man. That's my first presidential decree. No, my first presidential decree would be we're no longer playing Uno. It's called Dos now.
How dare you? How dare you? You're fired.
You can't fire me, I'm the boss.
I'm gonna fire the president.
What? Can't do that unless you assassinate them like Abraham Lincoln or JFK. Noodle.
Hmm?
Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, fucking subscribe, craft a comment down in the below, all that good stuff. And I'll see you dudes in the next one. Say goodbye, Noodle.
Bye.
Bye.